Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new social study lesson. Please get your book, Our Place in the World, ready, and let's start. We're starting a new chapter. We're talking and learning about community. So we'll be learning about where we live, how the area around us look like, our neighborhood and streets. We'll be learning about maps, about also direction and globe. Let's start with our vocabulary first that we're gonna learn this lesson. So we'll be learning about capital. Capital is a city where the government of a country or state is located. Environment. Environment is the natural world. Globe. An object that is shaped like a large ball with a map of the world. Location, the place where something can be found. Neighborhood, a small area in a town or city where people live. Symbol, pictures that stand for something else. Transportation, the act or process of moving people or things from place to another. All right. So these are the words that we will be learning and using in this chapter. You know, you always can pause the video and come back to the words if you need a meaning of one of the words. Right, let's go back to our lesson. In your book, page 56. So this is, what does a map mean? What does a map can help us to do? I'm sure we all use map in a different way. Maybe you have it in a shopping mall, you have the map in one of the amusement park, like Disneyland or SeaWorld or Legoland. So where to find maps? You can find maps in books, cell phone, you can find it also on the internet. So what the map able to do, if I have a map, would help me to find places and locate places. So let's go for next page. What maps show? In your book, page 58. This photo was taken high above a neighborhood. A neighborhood is a place where people live, work, play, and shop. So this is a neighborhood. This picture has been taken from above. All right, so this is the picture over here. What places do you see in this neighborhood? All right, we can see apartment building, schools, groceries, stores, restaurant. See houses with pools. I see name of streets, trees. All right. This is a map. It shows the same neighborhood that you see in the photo. So this is a photo and this is the map that it shows exactly what we have here. A map shows where places are located. Maps help you know how to get from place to place. If I want to go to a place, I'm looking in my map. Now, we used to have a paper maps. Most of the people now using their phone or GPS, which exactly do the same job. You have the map and show you your place where you want to go. So look closely at the photo and the map. Circle something that is the same in the photo and in the map. I can see houses. I see here food court. I see buildings. I see trees. So this is in both the map and the picture. All right. How can we find our location or our place in map? That means you need to learn direction as well. So that's what we're gonna learn soon. A map is a drawing that shows a place. So as you see in the previous picture, previous page, this is a picture and this is the map that show you where to go or to find the place that you're looking for. All right, look at the title. The title tells what the map shows. Look for symbols. These tell you about important places. As we're saying, if you go, for example, to a mall and you're looking for the restaurant, so you will be looking for a symbol to let you know that this is where people can buy food or eat in restaurant or a cafeteria. So that would be something that you would be looking for. That's called the symbol. All right. Map features. What you see on a map, I have here one answer is done for me, street names. Okay, and how this help? If you know the street names, how this will help you? When I have the street name, I know that where the streets are located or where the place I'm looking for located. So over here, for example, we have the name of the street. So if I'm looking for a place that nearby this area, I can easily just try to find the street name and I know how far I can go to that place. So Broad Court or Pine Lane, so I know that this is the name of the street, and then I can give the description or direction from there. So let's write this down. So map features, what you see on a map. We saw, for example, street names, and how this help or what this help you with. Tell us where streets are located. All right. So if you go back to the picture and to the map, we can tell that in a picture, I cannot see the street name, but over here in the map, that helped me to locate and find the street names, and I can describe location or give direction or address for some place over here. All right. Next activity, page 61. So what we have a chart or a graph that we need to answer this. So in this graphic organizer, we have map features, what you see on map, and then how it helps. So when I have this information, how this will help me with. So we have title, label, campus rows, cardinal direction, map key, and symbol. So first, let's go and read these pages, 52, and then find the answer for this question. All right. What does a map help us do? In my neighborhood, the little of the map tells us that it shows a neighborhood. The map shows places and streets. The labels tell the names of the street. Each house or building also has a number. The number is part of an address. The address of the school is 10 Front Street. So as we know, this is what we just said, that neighborhood or the area where you live, you have places, you have location, you have streets, and we have numbers of buildings and houses. So when you give an address or you give a direction, this is what we use. Did you know in real life, building numbers are usually organized the same way on every street? So all the building numbers on one side of the street are odd, and on the other side, all the building numbers are even. So maybe you should go look out and you see what side in your home on. So are you on the odd numbers or the even numbers? All right. So for example, if we look at this map, I can see name of streets, numbers on the buildings, and names also and numbers on buildings. So I can see this is Front Street, Oak Street, Main Street. I see post office number 6, bank number 4, police officer or police station number 2, firehouse number 8, and then the other side I see the school number 10, and I see houses from numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this could be the even numbers. So as you see, these labels and names and numbers help you to give direction or reach places. All right. So for example, if I say, how could we get from the post office to 8 Elm Street? So this is the post office and this is 8 Elm Street. So I know that I can walk down Oak Street, cross Front Street, and then walk down Elm Street. Then I can stop at home or house number 8 or building number 8. All right. So if I ask, for example, where's the firehouse? So I will say the firehouse on Main Street. And if I say, if I want to get to house number 2, that purple small house on Elm Street, what should I do? I know that I walk down Elm Street and then walk all the way to Front Street. All right. Map and globe skills. Map of Hilltop School. So the title, that's the title of the map, map of school. And then I have campus rows that show direction, north, south, east, west, and we're using the first letter of each word. So the N, letter N stand for north, the letter S stand for south, the letter E stand for east, and the letter W stand for west. This is the map key. The map key show what each symbol stands for. So I know this milk means stand for cafeteria. The open book stands for library. The ball stands for gym. And then the classroom, I have the chairs or the desks stand for the classrooms. So that's how we say this is the map key. And that's when I can say, so I will say this is a cafeteria. This is the gym. Principal office with his name, that principal title. I have the open book, that's a library. And then these is our classes or classrooms. All right. What room is next to the gym? This is the gym. Which room is next to the gym? Very good, cafeteria. All right. If you are in a cafeteria and want to go to the principal's office, which direction you will walk? This is a cafeteria. You want to go all the way here to the principal office. So what are we gonna do? Yes, you're gonna come out of the cafeteria, go all the way south because I see S here, south, and then go west for the principal office. All right, how many classrooms are there? I'm looking at the symbol that stands for the classroom and I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 classrooms. All right, let's go for next page, page 55. Maps help us. Look at the map on page 54. The title of the map tells you what the map shows. So this is the map of Hilltop School. So I know as everything in Hilltop School. Parts of a map help us see where a place is located. So over here, labels name places on the map. Labels make the map easier to read. That's the labels. So now I know what I'm reading and what I'm looking at. Campus rows. Campus rows shows the directions. North, we have N stand for north. South, we have the letter S. East, letter E, and west, the letter W. These are cardinal direction. we can use cardinal direction to tell where a place is located. The map key shows symbols, so that's the map key to tell us about places on the map. So now I know at that symbol, and I know, as we say, this is a cafeteria, this is a gym, and this is the principal office, and all these are classes and classrooms, and this is the library. All right. All right. A picture and a map. The picture and a map both show same place. They show part of Central Park in New York City. So this is a picture and this is the map. But the picture showed the park from above. The map shows things to see at the park. What places do you see? What do the symbols shows? So as a picture, I cannot really see details, but when I look at the map here, I can tell that that blue part, if I look at map key here, that's the pond. Over here, this is a lake. This is a woman ring. This is ice skating. This is carousel. So this is the carousel, the playground or the rides. And this is my campus rows, or the direction that I can see: north, south, east, and west. So as we all agree now that the map show places and also help you to reach different places and move and travel from place to place, reading the map keys help me to find places, and the compass rose or the cardinal direction help me to find which way I will go and the direction for my trip. Okay, so let's go back to our book and answer page 61. So we have map features, what you see on a map. So we have title. So we know how this helps. Tell me what this map shows. So the example we have was a school. So we need to write this down. So the first question was the title. And then I know that the title tells what's the map about, or what this map will about to show. Like if I'm in a mall, I would know that this maps just show me everything in this shopping mall. If I'm in an amusement park, the map would be showing me everything in this amusement park, from a store to buy things, souvenirs, from show, from restaurants, parking, all that. So it tells what the map shows. Okay, labels. We know that labels name places that's shown on this map. So let's put this information down. Names, places shown on the map. All right. Campus rows show directions on maps. So campus rows show direction the map. Cardinal directions, that's help to tell where to go or where the place is located. So are they on the north, or the south? Do I need to take east or west? So cardinal direction help tell where the place is. Okay, map key, we know, help you to understand what these symbols stand for. So it helps you to read the symbol that it's used in the map. So it shows symbols. A map. And last thing, what symbol? We know symbol. It's picture that tell about the places on a map. Like when we saw the picture for the cafeteria, we saw a box of milk. For classrooms, we saw chairs. For the library, we saw an open book. So symbols, pictures that tell about places on a. Okay, so now I know the titles. Title tell what the map shows. So it helped me to know that this is the map of what. Labels, names of places that shown on map. Campus roads show direction on the map. Cardinal direction help to tell where a place is located. And then map key shows symbols that's helped me to read and find places on map. And then the symbols, pictures that tell about places on the map. All right. So, you can always pause the video, take your time to put your answer. And of course, if you don't need, you can just put your answer as long as you understand what we need to do. You can always watch the video one more time to get all the information you need. All right, so we're going to clear this. And then we're going to go for the next page. All right, so what do we have here? Draw it. Draw a map of your school. Use symbols and a map key. Add a campus rows. So this is something that you can have fun and enjoy. You can even draw a map of your area or a map of your room or a map of a place that you see. So you know that when you do the map, you have to give a title for your map. You also need to put campus rows, like where's the direction, north, east, south, and west. All right, so have fun. All right, list 3 things that a map can help us do. So we know that if you wanted to go visit a place and you've never been there before, so map will help you to find places. My map also will help you to move from place to place. And you will learn about places, because when you look at the map, you can see the sample of, for example, water, like lake or river. So you know there is a lake or water activity in this area. So let's write this down. So we're going to say one thing that you learn places, you learn about places from map. So you learn about new places. Okay. It helps you to plan your visit to this place, because you know what you're going to see and you know what activity you'll be doing it, you know, location of places. So it helps you to plan a visit to a place. And then we also help you to find your way to move into from place to place. So help find your way to get from place to another place. All right. So for today, we learn about map. We know that maps show places. We know that symbols help us to understand the map key, and the map key use symbols, that pictures help you to find certain places. We know also that the title will help you to know where's the places. For example, when we have the map of the school, so we know that what's this map about, and we learn that, for example, the symbol in the campus rose help you to include places, you know where's places, and symbols of the pictures help me to know that this is a classroom symbols, this is the playground, this is the cafeteria, and this is the library. All right, so that's it for today's lesson, first graders. Thank you.